Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to the quick fact series of Zyam and Goes, and today we will be going to discuss about the human nervous system. So our sensitive organ collects information from their surrounding and connected this information to the central nervous system, which is mainly consists of brain and spinal cord through afferent nerve. If something happening that's required to taking action, let's say if football is kicking towards you, then the central nervous system receive impulses from the sensory organs and it generates a response which is carried to muscle through efferent nerve. And here that response makes the leg muscle contract to kick the ball. Although different sense organs works in a different way, but they all keep sending information about the change in surrounding that trigger response from the central nervous system. Now we talk about the parts of the human nervous system. So these are the mainly the brain, the spinal cord and the nerve. So this is all about the basic information regarding the human nervous system. Now you have to better understand to it, and thanks for watching.